In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see everyone on Zoom in just 5 minutes. This is a fantastic feature of Zoom that lets you have a more comprehensive view of all the participants, making it easier to engage with everyone in your meeting. Whether you're in a large-scale business conference or a virtual family reunion, being able to see everyone at once can make a big difference. Let's dive right in. First, it's important to start on the right foot, so head over to the Zoom website. Once you're there, you'll notice a sign-in option located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. It's crucial to ensure you're signed into your account so that you have access to all the features necessary for this tutorial. Once you've clicked Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose your preferred sign-in method. In this case, select Google and then choose your account from the list. This step seamlessly integrates your Google account with Zoom, allowing you quick access without having to remember yet another password. Make sure you select the correct account if you have multiple options. Now that you're signed in, navigate to your meeting. If you have a meeting scheduled, you can simply go to the invitation link. In this example, we're going directly to our meeting, but you can locate yours from your Zoom dashboard or calendar invites. Once your meeting starts, you'll see the meeting interface come up on your screen. Look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll find a button labeled View. This button is your key to changing how you see the participants in the meeting. Click on it to see the available viewing options. Just adjacent to View, click on Gallery View. This selection allows all participating members to be visible in a grid layout, putting everyone on an equal footing visually. Switching to Gallery View is the optimal choice when you want to see everyone simultaneously. It's especially useful in group discussions, helping you pick up on nonverbal cues and ensuring you don't miss a reaction or a raised hand. This view provides a more personable experience by bringing everyone to the forefront. That's it. You've successfully switched to Gallery View, making it possible to see everyone in your Zoom meeting at just a glance. Handling virtual meetings with more ease now falls within your grasp. Make sure to make the most of this feature to enhance your interaction during video calls. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this makes your Zoom meetings more interactive and enjoyable. Until next time.